Hey there, it's Tristen from Manitoba Marketing. Just making this really quick video to give you guys a couple tips and tricks on how to gain the top spot on Google. All that's going to do is increase the amount of people looking at your website, increase the amount of people that are phoning you from this little call button up here. So I find that lots of times people just really don't have the time to go through and do all this stuff, but it's really super easy. And everything that I will show you today is purely for educational reasons. So if you feel like going out and doing all this kind of stuff on your own, then by all means, all the power to you. But let's get right into it. So I'm going to go over three things today. First is going to be content, and then backlinks, and then citations. So to start with content, Google likes around the 1500 to 2000 word range for the homepage, and you guys are you're maybe at 200-ish, 300 kind of thing. The reason Google likes that word range is because it can then send all of its little bots to go and crawl your website looking for keywords to make you guys relevant for people's search terms. And the more keywords you have, the more content you have, it's going to make Google want to scan your website some more and find as many keywords as possible that will make you relevant for people's search terms when they search up physiotherapy Brandon, physiotherapist Brandon, Manitoba, anything like that. It's going to help you guys to show up higher in Google. Another thing we can do is we can actually save pictures as words as well as keywords. You guys don't have quite as many pictures on your homepage, but if I go and save this image here, just one of these little sponsorship things, it's just called ICS. So what we can do, that is what that is, but we can go and we can change that to a keyword, and Google will see that as content, and it'll just add to the relevance that your guys' website has for when people search up anything like physiotherapist Brandon. The next thing I'm going to look at is backlinks. So this is a tool I use, I pay for monthly. It's called Ahrefs, and it gives me everything that I need to know about people's websites. And there are plenty of free backlink tools out there, but like I said, this just gives me everything that I need to look at. Anyways, so you guys have 19 referring domains that are giving you 111 backlinks, which is pretty impressive. That's not a lot of domains, but you have quite a few backlinks. And you have 131 organic keywords, and then your traffic, so that's people going to your website, you have about 35 clicks on your website per month. So if we just click over to dynamic, they're currently sitting at the top spot here in Google. They've got 34 referring domains, giving them 65 backlinks, with 254 organic keywords and 302 people looking at their website every month. So backlinks, you guys have more backlinks than them, but keep in mind, not all backlinks are made equal. Google is basically a big popularity contest, so you have to have backlinks and other sites that link back to you that are relevant to your business, to make you a little bit more popular, I'll say, on Google. You can't be getting backlinks from just random places because Google will just see them as spammy and you won't rank for them. So the reason that Dynamic is sitting a little bit higher with only 65 backlinks is just because they're maybe a little bit more relevant. And they do have some more referring domains, so that also helps as well. They've got a few more keywords that Google found and is making them relevant for. So that's backlinks. And then lastly is citation. So a citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed in any directory on Google, like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, anything like that. Dynamic here, they've got 37. You guys have got 21. Citations are what help you rank in this, it's called the Google Map Pack. So the more citations you have, the higher you rank on here. I've been clicking around a lot. I've been doing a lot of searches in this area, so my top 3 results might be a little bit different than someone else's top 3 results, but dynamic physiotherapy has the most citations. That's all we'd have to do. We'd just go into all those citations that they have that you guys don't, enter your business, and then look for other places to enter your business just to give you guys more citations to help you rank in that Google Map Pack. So those are the 3 things that I have for you. If you guys feel you have any questions, if you want to, please reach back out to me. If you feel I have anything to offer and you would like to maybe look into working together, that's super awesome. Just give me a shout and we can go from there. Thank you very much.